One thing I started doing was I started gathering like testimonials like on my character because I have like a realtor friend and he's got like billboards all over our city. And I
Yep.
thought, like, I want to ask, is that like a good idea to kind of gather?
That is not a good idea. That is not a good idea. That is a super dope, amazing, and awesome and phenomenal idea. Why? Okay? You ever see that scene in Gone in 60 Seconds where Nick Cage is in the car dealership looking at the, no disrespect if you guys have Ferrari, I love me some Ferraris, but he's at the Ferrari dealership and he's like, if I buy that Ferrari, right, I saw that Ferrari and then at the other Starbucks across the street was the same Ferrari. If I buy this, I'm just another pretentious a-hole. But if I had a 1969 Shelby GT500, I'd be a connoisseur, okay? And no disrespect to your friend, but anybody, any pretentious, somewhat successful person can buy a billboard, can buy a bus stop, can buy advertising. But you having somebody take one of these and point it at their face, and say what they liked best about working with you, you are now a 1969, we call her Eleanor, Shelby GT500. Hey, I just want to let you know about Isaac Bird. Man, he's fantastic. He's phenomenal. He gets everything done. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder at Easton University. I could not be where I'm at today if it wasn't for Isaac. Okay? That one little testimonial is worth more. And I'm not saying don't advertise. There might be somebody on the call today. I know there's somebody from the big billboard company. They're going to cancel. Billboards are great. Buy some billboards. Okay? There's nothing wrong with that. But what I am saying is if you guys can get in the habit of any time you hear these words, what are the two, do you know what the two words you want to listen for are, Isaac? You want to take a guess?
Thank you.
Exactly right. Thank you. Hey, Matt, no problem. My pleasure. Hey, you couldn't do me a small favor, could you? Sure. If you get a second, could you take your phone and point it at your face and just say a couple words on what you like best about working with me and text it to my mobile, 720-660-3202? Yeah, sure. This is how we have over 1,000 of these. I don't even think the website can load them all. We have so many of these, right? And this is money in the bank. This is credibility. This is what's going to set you apart. It doesn't matter what business you're in, right? Let's say you're Mark and you're selling steel buildings. Mark's like, well, I just work at the company. There's 60 other people here, okay? What a great thing for Mark to have. Hey, I like working with Mark, right? Acme Building is fantastic, but if you really want, Mark's my guy. Just go directly to Mark. Mark will take great care of you. I had gone through 3 buildings in the past. Not one person had taken the time to realize that what was most important to me was the width on the doors. Finally, I connected with Mark. If you want somebody that's honest, that has integrity, and is going to get you the right building and not just try and make a fast buck, you got to call Mark at Acme. Okay? Now here's the trick with this. Don't make it overcomplicated. If you're Mark, don't say, hey Matt, I sold you that building. Could you let them know I have integrity? Just say, can you point your phone at your face and say what you like best? Because if I said, hey Isaac, can you make a 1-minute video testimonial about me? You're going to start to get that rumble in your tummy, right? From school where, oh my God, I got an assignment. When is this assignment due? But what's really weird is if you just take your phone at your face, if you could just a couple seconds, what you like best, you're going to find some of these things are going to come in. They're going to be like, I can't email it to you. It's too big of a file. You're going to have 2-3 minutes of why Isaac is amazing. Don't have any agenda besides this. The phone is pointed at the face, okay? And just let us know. If you could just shoot a short testimonial video of what you like best about working with me, right? If you could just shoot and by the way, guys, if you guys after this could shoot a short video testimonial, boom, it would mean the world to me, right? Just take your phone, point it at your face, say what you like best about Easton University. My mobile, write it down, sword and shield, 720-660-3202. We'll put you up on our website, but that would mean the world to me. If you want one of these from me, send me one and let me know. Here's what I do, Matt. I'd like to have a video from you. I will get you your first video. I'm happy to do that for you.